How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. And it's kind of crazy how easily predicted this stock was, Lucy. And I see it all the time, right? You have this big run up. It went from 16 cents all the way to a buck 13, all in one day, making like 428%. And guess what happens? It pumps and dumps. And I'm going to show you guys, and I made a video way up in this area of where my arrow is, of why we should not buy Lucy, of why you should stay cautious. Do not get hyped into the FOMO here, right, guys? We knew this was going to go down. Anybody that watches my strategies over and over, this is just repeated information that we do not buy these pumps. We look for the dump and we look for the momentum tide of trade. Where do we enter? But you guys know my bread and butter. I look for bottom reversals where we're under the EMAs, we're near the lower band, and we look for how do we get into this big green candle before everyone else gets in. That's the name of the game. It's anyone can find a stock that's up massive amount and try to like play casino on it and like which one's going to get rug pulled, which one is the last one with the rotten egg. Anybody can find that on the scanner. Stocks that are up like 100%, biggest gainers, and Lucy would pop up. The real secret in trading is how do you find this stock before it pumps, right? Nobody really can know precisely how to find it before it pumps, but we can make educated guesses on buying what makes sense and using a system that works constantly. So Lucy had this massive big move up, and now it's dumping on the daily. And before I get too into this video, guys, if you guys want to join Discord where it's not about pumps, where we pump stocks, and there's a system to it and how to actually follow a plan where you can win over 95% of your trades, where I'm journaling my trades right now and I'm having really great success. Yes, I might not have like massive monster wins, and that's not about trading. It's about consistent profits and how to make money month after month and stay in the game. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is a really great community. It's only $6 a month, and you get my system, my entries, how your chart looks like this. I'll put my link in the YouTube comments below. You're gonna freaking love it, guys, because I'm gonna work my butt off to make everyone profitable. Okay, we're not gonna get sucked into this. So I made a video, no joke, on May 24th. You can look at my YouTube on Lucy, and the predictions is beautiful, right? So what I was saying is, we want to look for the trampoline effect, right? Where you see here is the EMA 10 is right here. This is your yellow band. The EMA 5 is your purple. This one right here is usually like a bounce, but the predictions are not as strong as an EMA 10. And then here's the EMA 20. This is your last line of defense. What I want you guys to know is, when a stock pulls up to this upper band, we are going to have a sell zone. Who cares how much higher it goes? It doesn't matter. We know it can't sustain this. And the first target up stock goes to is your EMA 5. And EMA 5 is a very short term. And do we know that it can hit it the next day? Absolutely not. We do know if it don't hit it within a couple days, that is very long. So when you see a stock that is super overextended, like Lucy, and it's above the upper band, this is not a bad area to short. Do I recommend shorting? No, because there could be news at all times, and it could cause to go to 7 ATR. If you guys don't know what ATR is, that is your average true range. This right here is at a 4 ATR, this upper band. It is very rare for stocks to go above it, so unless there's like incredible news. But where we would look for an entry on a momentum type of trade would be right here at the EMA 10. And right in here, we might get a little trampoline effect. And what you would like to see is right here, bounce up and make a nice high there. Do we know exactly where this stock is going to go? Absolutely not. No one knows if it can retest the upper band. Nobody can really get. If anybody that is giving out bizarre price targets, they're just randomly guessing, and that's what we call pumping. We don't want to pump a stock. We want to trade based on what the system tells you, what does the chart tell you, and follow based on that. For Lucy, I did not like it up in this upper band area. I would not mind it for a trampoline effect on this yellow band. And when I mean the trampoline effect, when you are bouncing on a trampoline, you want to look for that area when you jump that you want to have a bounce up. And that is your EMA 10. That is where it can, you jump up and you get held on this and then you get a bounce up. That's the only way to trade these momentum stocks. They have a big move up and they come crashing down. Usually the EMA 10 will get touched and it will hold it for, 1 or 2 touches, and then it breaks through. We can take advantage of that 1 or 2 touch, but if it does get to the EMA 20, it could absolutely do that too. But oftentimes I see the bounce on the EMA 10. It looks like we're trying to get that right now. And then obviously your stop loss should always be at the low of where this candle started. Where did this big pump start? And it should be right there. Hope you guys really enjoyed this analysis. Like I said, guys, my bread and butter type of plays are when the prices of the stock are near the lower band. We have time distance of not hitting the EMA 10 and 20. Because just like when it goes up real high, we come shooting down to hit the 10. And we look for that bounce on the 10. Just like in downtrends, we come soaring down and we look for what? Those bounces at the 10 EMA and the 20 EMA, because we know it's going to do. And you rinse and repeat the process. You're near the lower band, you look for the bounce at the 10 and the 20, and you're just constantly making gains. It's definitely easier to see it when the candles are here, but I'm telling you guys, I do this all the time, and I'm very confident in my trades because I know where price is going to go. And it's not based on luck. It is based on what a system does. This system wins a lot. If you guys want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day, this is your chance to do it, guys. This is your chance to look transform your lives. Okay, if you want to look into and really develop and really like, how do I increase my odds of winning? I have spent so much money on courses, so much money on Discords, and none of them worked until I took the time and be like, okay, why is it not wise to buy it into here? Everyone can see it, and every Discord is pumping Lucy all in here, and then the last one with the rotten egg loses. Why can't we get in under the bands, under the EMAs, nice, like as close as here, and take those consistent gains? Do we have to have a big candle like this and hope for a 400% gain? Absolutely not. That is right there casino luck. You don't have to have it. And the best way to trade these are consistent entries at the EMA 10. Look for that 10 to 20% bounce. Bam, bam, wham, and you're out. And you make the money, right? And that's what you want to do. We've seen it repeatedly and repeatedly. We've seen it with BNED. We look at this. We had this big move up. Where do we look for the bounce? At the EMA 10. That's your trampoline effect. We had this big move up all the way. Where do we look for the bounce? The EMA 10 area, right in here. It's just a beautiful system, guys. I think you're going to really love it. That is my analysis on Lucy. I hope you guys loved it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I'll put the link down below. It's only $6 a month, and I'll put that link down in the YouTube comments pinned. And when you click that link, it'll take you right here. It'll look like this. It'll take you to the free chat landing page. Do take the chance to read hashtag how to subscribe. It's going to really help you learn how to subscribe if you have an Android and all, if only an Android and all that. Avoid scammers. Since we are growing rapidly fast, over 3 months we have over 3,000 members, so a lot of people are growing, so people are going to use my name and logo. Just keep in mind, I'll never DM you first, and I'll never friend request you. What you want to do, guys, is head on over to the subscription tab to subscribe, and when you hit premium chat, it will opt you to subscribe. It is only $6 a month, guys. I'm telling you, you cannot lose out on this deal. And when you subscribe, it is cheaper if you do it on a computer than on your phone because you avoid the iOS fee. $6 a month. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get my exact swing trades. You're going to get my entries, my exits, my reasonings, and I'm going to record them all in the journal. So once I take a trade, I put it right in the journal. And then the journal's going to have the stocks I'm in. It'll have an open position if I'm still holding. And then my actual averages and my wins and losses all in there. And then I'll have education videos on how to properly accumulate. And then use my indicators to be profitable. Hope you guys really love this. This is my analysis on Lucy. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.